Hello everybody, this is Alex from soyachincha.com, and today we have a very special video. So we have early access to the Vivo V15 Pro. So this device isn't launched anywhere in the world, and here's our first look. Okay, before we begin, we're just going to let you know that this early access is tied with an NDA, so we're not allowed to talk about the specific hardware specs until the phone is released globally. So we're going to talk about the exterior design and as much as we can before the phone's released. The Vivo V series is their mid-range lineup, so it's quite similar to Oppo's F series. So this V15 Pro replaces the V11 that was announced sometime September last year. So the old device came with a Snapdragon 660 processor with a 6.4-inch display, and it also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. So for the new one, the V15 Pro, so this comes also with the in-display fingerprint sensor, and it also comes with this, a pop-up selfie camera that has a high-resolution 32 megapixels. So in terms of the exterior design, well, it's quite similar to the V11. You have this nice curved glass back. Actually, it's not glass, it's actually more like plastic. I'm not sure if you can hear that. It looks like glass, but it's actually plastic. It's the same thing as well with the frame. It has this glossy look. And in this blue color, which they're calling, let me just check, it's called Topaz Blue, you have this sort of like a nice subtle grading effect. So it transitions between dark blue to light blue. And if you look at it closely, you can see some fine lines that reflects light in a very interesting manner. The display, well, the size is similar to the V11. I'm not sure what it is because I haven't seen the spec sheet yet, but to me, it's about the same as the V11. Smaller than the Vivo Nex because that device was huge. It's about 6.5 inches, if not mistaken. And another difference on this device is that they managed to fit an earpiece at the top. So on the Vivo Nex, if you recall, it comes with this sound casting technology. So what that does is that it actually emits sound by vibrating an element under the screen. So for this one, it uses an earpiece at the top. Notification light, I'm not too sure. We need to try that out later. But it looks pretty sleek. You can't really see it. So I like the look of it. The top forehead is pretty slim, but there's still a noticeable chin at the bottom. And as usual, the Vivo Nex V15 comes with FunTouch OS, so it's their own version of Android. The skin is a bit different from what you're used to because the notifications toggles are actually at the bottom, similar to iOS. Again, I can't mention the specs, but if you look at the box, I think you probably see what's the RAM and storage configuration in this device. Of course, the biggest highlight is the selfie camera. So it comes with this pop-up mechanism, which is very similar to the flagship Vivo Nex, which we saw last year. The difference is the position is now on the right, whereas the original Vivo Nex was on the left. So with this placement, it's actually aligned nicely with the rear cameras. So you can see this huge camera bump. So it flows nicely with this pop-up selfie mechanism unit. And I'm pretty sure that Vivo has tested this for durability, but let's give it a try. Let's open and close repeatedly. It takes less than a second for it to come out and to go down. If you do this repeatedly non-stop, you'll get a warning message like this. To protect your front camera, please do not perform this action too frequently. Okay. At the back, you'll find a triple camera setup that's aligned vertically, and this bump is huge. It's big, and you can see here it says AI triple camera. So that means there's some form of AI assistance in terms of photography, so that will help to improve your pictures. We can't share the specific details of the camera, but let's just try to look at the interface. So it's pretty similar to a typical Vivo smartphone, but there are a couple of extras. On top of the device, you'll find a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great if you plan on using it on a pair of headphones. At the bottom of the device, you'll find a micro USB port. Come on Vivo, it's 2019. Unfortunately, we can't reveal the full details of the Vivo V15 Pro, so you have to stay tuned to our first impressions post that's going to be released after the launch. The Vivo V15 series will be announced in India on the 20th of February 2019, and the pre-order for Malaysia will begin on the 26th of February 2019. So that's it. This is a quick look at the Vivo V15 Pro. Well, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to us on our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. And if you want to know more, you can actually check out a post in the description down below. You can check out a latest video here. And don't forget to check Rory's unboxing of the Vivo Next Dual Display Edition here. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and share this video. Bye!